of Neuf. I am Alejandro. I am here with...
Wow, what a crowd we got here tonight. You guys seem like a lot of fun. I've been listening to you laughing all night long. That's pretty good. As you know, these things with improv, we need to be inspired. So, I would like you to take a moment, think of a word, and when I count to 3, I want you to shout it out loud. Whatever sticks here. Is it there? So, 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
I got Skittles. Does anybody say Skittles? But it's a good award. We got Skittles. You look like the candy. It's the colors of the rainbow. I have a sweet tooth. My doctor says I shouldn't have it. Things are so sweet, I need to have them. I've got to eat it all today. My dentist really, really loves me. I try to go there every month to make sure that I can still eat. My father tells me I should spend my money on something useful, something that will keep me youthful, right today, like going to the gym. I don't care if it's you that buys me my special candy. Don't care if it's you that buys me my special